Pulling thread text animation comes under the advanced motion design process, but today I will show you how you can create this animation in After Effects manually. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, let's create a new composition. Give it a name whatever you want, and you can see my composition settings on my screen. Next, I want to make text using lines. So for this, I am going to select the pen tool, but make sure the fill option is turned off and the stroke is turned on. Also, the size of the stroke is 5 pixels. Also, I open the ruler to add a horizontal guideline. Now I'm going to create a word using the pen tool. You can create your own word, but to explain you, I just create a random text. Once I finish this design, I select some of the line points and adjust their position in this composition. Also, I change the layer position as well, so it will be in the center of this composition. So next, we are moving to animate these lines. For this, I'm going to open the Layers drop-down menu, and then I select the Contents property and add a trim path into this layer. After that, I open the Trim Path properties and add a keyframe at the end property and change its value to 0. Then I place the time indicator at the 2-second mark and then change the trim path value to 100% so you can see how it will animate. Then I place the time indicator at the 2-second mark and then I select the layer and search a path into the search box to reveal the path properties and then add a keyframe and move forward a bit. Now I'm going to select some of the vertex points of these lines like this and then move them to the right side, or you can call it I change their shape. Then I play the small preview to check the animation, and then I move forward a bit once again and change the line shapes. So this process is completely manual, so you have to move forward and then adjust the lines manually, as I am doing here. And once you have animated all the curved lines, you will get a flat horizontal line in this composition. So all you need to do is simply select all the vertex points of this line and move them to the right side, and let's see the final preview. I feel it's too slow, so I select all the keyframes and squeeze them together to increase the speed of this animation, and now it looks perfect. So that's how you can create a thread-pulling text animation in After Effects. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.